How do the wealthy decide whether they should start a business in trading, manufacturing, or building a consumer brand? Now remember, if money is no constraint and there are opportunities across all three, you make a decision based on the amount of time it takes for these businesses to become successful. I'll explain. Most trading opportunities where you buy from somewhere where it's cheaper and sell where it's more expensive last for not more than 4 to 5 years. You can make a lot of money, but beyond 5 years, a bigger fish can come in with more capital and wipe you out. Most manufacturing businesses max out in about 5 to 8 years, which means when you set up a factory, you need to recover your capital investment in less than 4 years as fast as you can and make your super profits between 5 to 8 years. Because after that, a lot more manufacturing potential comes in and they drive you out of the market. And if you want to build a consumer brand, it is mostly successful in upwards of 12 years. Look at most FMCG companies of any country and you will realize that they've been in existence for about 30 years. Consumer brands take a lot of time, cash and effort to build, which is why get into it only if you can sustain for the next 15 years. So remember, trading for the short term, manufacturing for the medium term, and consumer brands for the long term. Share it with someone who may need it.